teachers, our beloved parents, guests of honor, and my fellow students, good morning.
Good morning,
First and foremost, I would like to welcome our parents to Kerotet Girls. Thank you for coming, and I would also like to welcome you, and I would like to thank you for making the right decision to put us in Kerotet Senior School, the favorite. This school is actually the best. Secondly, I would like to thank the non-teaching staffs, including the cadres, who made a strong bond between us, and she provided us with adequate meals that satisfy everyone. Even by not forgetting the chaplain, Pastor Dorcas, who always encourages us. Thank you so much, Pastor Dorcas. To our administration, I would like to thank you for the good orientation celebration that was held on 22nd of January 2026, whereby we were officially presented in the school. They gave us class teachers. They took us all around the school. There is no confusion of students. We thank you, the administration, and we also thank you for the drink that we enjoyed all together. Thirdly, I would like to say thank you to the administration for they gave us big sisters who are from Form 4s and Form 3s. They were good ambassadors of the school. When they lead by example, they also take good care of us. We thank you so much, Form 4s and Form 3s. To the grade 10 learners, I would like to
our deputy BOF chair, our PA chair, our deputy principal, our deputy principal, my colleague teachers, parents, and grade 10 learners. Good morning.
Good morning, Madam Nancy of Excellence.
Good morning once again.
Good morning, Madam Nancy of Excellence.
My name is Nancy Kipkemoi, and I would like to take this opportunity to welcome our grade 10 learners to Kerotet Senior School, the school of choice, the favorite. I would like to assure you that your girls are in the right institution and that learning is taking place and that they are going to pursue their careers in the near future, and we are very much preparing them for that. So as Kerotet, we are privileged to have received 272 students under the STEM pathway. That accounts for 60% of the grade 10 learners. This is because STEM is a very important pathway in Kenya as a country. So these 272 students, we were able to put them into 5 groups, 5 classes as follows. We have North, South, East, West, and Central. North, South, East, West, and Central. All those classes are where you are going to find our learners that are taking STEM. Now, most of our parents have come and are having questions. So my hope is that by the end of this meeting, most of their questions are going to be answered.
Thank you, Mr. Tanui. Our board representative, our PA chair, our senior principal, deputy principal, teachers, parents, and learners. Good morning. I hope it is still morning. Good morning.
Good morning, Mr. Sam of Excellence.
I want to take this opportunity to welcome our parents to Kerotet School and to our students. As we all know that orientation marks the beginning of a learning journey, and we are starting that learning journey today with very important stakeholders who are our parents, our learners, and our teachers. In our social sciences pathway, we have around 173 learners, and the areas of learning in this pathway include Kiswahili, Fasihi, English literature, geography, history, CRE, and business studies. Although we have geography and business studies cutting across the 3 pathways, and maybe we are going to have changes after this orientation. I want to inform our parents that learning has taken off, and we want to thank the government. The government has supplied us with enough textbooks as per now, although some arrived late as last week. But we are on course. We are taking up.
All the protocols observed. Good morning. Good morning, parents. Tusalimiane wote wanafunzi. Thank you so much. As you heard, my name is Mr. Meli Jabet, Senior Master in that of Sports and Arts, and also the head of the Department Games and Sports in this school. Now we have this opportunity to welcome all of us. I want to say that as parents, it's an obligation for you to attend such an important event, because this is where we lay the foundation for the next 3 years, so as to ensure that our learners get what is expected of them at the end of the 3 years. So we welcome so that we come together to see our girls through as far as their studies is concerned. So allow me to say that the core business of coming to school is academics, but academics cannot be complete if we don't also focus on the other side of our learners, which is of the talent. And I want to say that our school, like any other school in Kenya, has the third department of our grade 10, which is arts and sports. We were not left behind. We have an opportunity for our learners who are allowed in sports and performing arts. In fact, the preview of the same is what you saw in front here. All the performances from journalism, singing, dancing, and I want to say that the school, despite the short time, we were able to identify and give opportunities to our learners to express themselves. As you heard, I'm a senior master of this pathway, and I wish to say that this is the pathway that identifies, nurtures, and mentors the talent of our learners. It is an independent pathway where I want to report that we received applications or selections of 4 students who came here in admission. They were admitted to arts and sports. From we all aware that even those who are in STEM and social sciences have also talent, and because of that, we are not leaving them behind. So we have the 4 learners who are specialized in STEM, and also the whole group being taken through the same pathway. That is why we saw all the groups presented in front here. So, as you have seen in the program, this train like the other 2, where we have abundant subjects. English is Swahili, mathematics, actually essential mathematics. We also have CSL, we have PE, and ICT. Then our learners are expected to select from the 4 subjects down here. As you can see from our program, we have biology, and the reason is why biology is because most of the sports and arts is physical. It's actually involving their bodies, so it is good for them if they understand.
Our BOM Vice Chair, Mr. Duot, our PA Chair, Dr. Chumba, our Senior Principal, Deputy Principal, our dear parents, and our learners. Good morning.
Good morning, Madam Member of Excellence.
Now, for this opportunity, as you have heard, I am Evelyn Kambemba. I am the career master. So I am grateful that I am here to talk to you about careers and how we as parents can guide our children effectively at this critical stage of their education. Why am I saying it is critical? Because at grade 10, this is an important transition. And it marks a time in their lives where they are beginning to think about their interests, about their abilities, and about their future pathways. I have met many of them, and some of them starting about what they want, but there are those who are still unsure. So we are still guiding them because this is important. and we are being patient with them, because at the end of the day, this is their future. If they do not make the right decision right now, then it will affect them at grade 11, and we do not want them coming back to grade 10. So parents, we require you to work with us so that we can be able to help our learners. Now, in the past, we've always looked at career as just a job, but now it's not just a job, it is a pathway. And parents, I believe these 4 areas will guide you. For those who are who have already done it, it is okay. If you haven't done it, then you can write it down somewhere, so that number 1, we are choosing a career, or the learners